Hello everyone, I'm back with you in my little kitchen and we're going to do an unboxing from Prozis. I can't really remember what I ordered, so we're going to discover together what's inside this box. At the same time, I'm making some brownies. By the way, it's a mix that Prozis also makes. Last time it was a complete failure. We'll see if this time I managed to get them right or not. By the way, you have the little promo code, which is CAROFIT10, available all year round. I'll put the link to all the products in the video description. I hope you're sitting comfortably, grab yourself a little drink because it's hot, so make sure to stay hydrated. By the way, Prozis makes little drinks with electrolytes to keep you hydrated, so don't hesitate to check out their website. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you like this kind of content, unboxings, sharing routines, health, and of course, affordable fashion. Today you find me in my kitchen and we're going to do a Prozis unboxing. I've been collaborating with them for I don't even know how many years anymore. I've lost count. So don't hesitate to go check out the products that catch your eye during this video. Let's get started. We'll begin with the first product. Well, we're going to start with a shaker because the other ones I had were small. And now that it's starting to get hot, I need a larger amount of water for my workout sessions. The problem is that it wasn't very practical for me, especially when I drink from the spout. And it's very wide, so it's not convenient for drinking. At least now I have a larger capacity. I can directly put my protein, my creatine, my BCAAs, my powdered collagen in there and just pour everything in, even if I'm at the gym. At least that's super convenient. I screw it on underneath, I unscrew it, and I also have the capsules. It depends on how you take them. So it's really practical here. The oven is hot, so we're going to prepare the brownies now. At least it's good now. I'm sure there's no risk of leaking. Well, let's get this brownie ready. What do you think about it? I'm doing this with you during this unboxing, and maybe it'll be ready by the time we finish the unboxing. So here are the preparation instructions. 400 grams, but that's the whole package. What's the point of using a cup then? It's useless. Anyway, you have to use the whole package, so the cup is pointless. Do you want me to make cups like this? 1, 2, I'll just pour the whole package in directly. That'll be easier, so I'll take this one. It'll be more practical. We'll get there. Why is it so hot? It's really a great idea to open the oven better and better. That's good. To that, you need to add 150 milliliters of water and 100 grams of butter, which I've softened here. I have my melted butter, okay, and here's the water. Let's see how it turns out. We mix it. It should make a smooth batter. It smells really good, like chocolate, and I can see the pieces of hazelnut. I really wanted to eat a chocolate cake and I'd forgotten that I had this brownie mix in the cupboard. Well, you see, I don't need to melt the chocolate. I don't need to do 15,000 different steps because I simply don't have the time. So this solves the problem of not having enough time to make a good chocolate cake. And as you saw, in 3 minutes, it's done. So now I have a perfect batter, a smooth batter. That's exactly what we're looking for. So here we go. I'm going to pour it into a mold. That's good. 18 minutes, that's settled. Into the oven. Let's go. So we can continue here. I grabbed a pineapple flavored burn that I love. So let's just say that for my workout sessions, this will help me burn a few more calories. And yes, because I want to have a perfect summer body, that's it. And above all, this drink is really delicious. A little, an 8-day course will be just fine. And in addition to that, I got a kind of appetite controller. With the fiber from Konjac, I'm almost always hungry. I don't know about you, but for me, my relationship with food for years now, it's not that it's a huge problem, but clearly I love eating. I could eat all day long. Actually, it's not just that I'm hungry, I'm really hungry and I think about food all day. It's not obsessive, but it's close. I mean, every day I want to eat my snack. I need there to be enough food when I cook lunch or if we go to someone's place. I have to be sure, obviously I don't say anything, but in my head I'm thinking, I hope there will be enough to eat for everyone, enough bread for everyone. In short, it's pretty annoying to deal with. Actually, with my mind, with my brain, and sometimes my body takes a bit of a hit too. So nothing too serious. But I told myself, you know what? I'm going to give myself a little help with this appetite controller. I have a friend who took it and apparently it works really well, so I'm going to try it myself. I also got Konjac. So it's a toning cream to apply twice a day. If I'm not mistaken, once in the morning and once at night. I wanted to use a cream that would tone my body a bit because honestly, I'm starting to see my body change a little. So I thought, why not? We're going to pair it with a little cream, and on top of that, here, there are Konjac vials. So these are also a kind of fat burner. So they're vials like this that you take once a day. I'll let you know if it works or not, if it's good or not. There are some products that I clearly don't take, especially because they contain too much caffeine, and it makes my heart race. I tried it once, and honestly, since then, I haven't dared to take it again. It wasn't from Prozis, it was from another brand. I even told them that it's not possible to collaborate, because after the very first capsule, it glued me to the couch. And honestly, I felt really bad. I was almost about to faint, so I said stop. So I told myself I would try again with Prozis, a brand I trust, to see if it works or not. What did I get? I got omega-3s. That's very important for brain development. We all lack omega-3s. We don't eat enough of them. And even if we eat products that contain omega-3s, since the quality of products is getting worse and worse, it's important to take supplements. So omega-3s are very important. And by the way, I'm going to put them straight in the fridge because they keep better when they're cold. Next, here I got some dark chocolate with almond pieces in it again. This is my little evening treat. I can't go without my square of dark chocolate before brushing my teeth, of course, and before going to bed. To stay on the indulgent side here, I ordered my spread again. Chocolate hazelnut with pieces of hazelnut inside, which gives it an absolutely irresistible touch of indulgence. Once you try it, you can't live without it. So this same thing goes straight into the cupboard. Here, digestive biscuit crumble. I had never seen this before. Maybe it's something new on their website. I thought it might be nice to add to some fromage blanc or my skyr. When it comes to snacks, I have a few issues with digestion and transit. In short, it's a bit complicated. Yeah, I'm telling you, as you approach 40, that's it, little things start to happen. So it's really important to take care of yourself with routines that suit you. We'll all have different routines, but the important thing is to find the one that works for us. So I thought I'd try out these little digestive biscuits. You can already find them in stores, but these ones are crushed, so they're convenient to put in yogurt. Can't wait to try them too. What else did I get? Yes, I got some wraps again. These are wheat wraps. Their wraps are really great. Not only do they keep really well, but especially right now. There's a recipe I love to make and that I'm going to make again soon. It's tacos with ground meat, bell pepper, vegetables, cheddar, and a little bit of grated cheese as well. Anyway, it's super tasty with a little sauce. Mamma mia, it's a real treat. These are little dishes that are high in protein, full of good things, and also super indulgent. So it lets you combine both things. And there's nothing better for that than wraps from Prozis. Next here, we're moving on to the clothing category. Pairs of socks, please. I got some short ones again, like these, which are really very good. You must have seen in the last Prozis unboxing video. I had already ordered these little socks. I've already tried them, already used them, and they're great. They look really small. Oh, okay. And a sports bra in size M. I get almost all my sports bras, I think, in size M. C or M, it depends on the model. This time I got it in M, but I think it might be a little big. We'll see, it's not a big deal. To wear under my shirts, blouses that are more of a cream color as well, so it stays pretty discreet. The videos I have to shoot for content creation, for the collaborations I do with different brands. So this will be perfect to wear under my tops. Oh, the material. I love it. He's going to be happy. Sir, this is for you. Men, this is for you. Gentlemen, it's a sports top. In terms of material, it's similar to basketball jerseys. It's very light, very thin, and it's soft too. Oh my, it's really nice. Here, we have the matching shorts. Gorgeous. There you go. Blue color as well then. Well, great. There you go. He's all dressed up. And how's the brownie doing? There are 6 minutes left for the brownie to bake, but I'm still going to show it to you. While we wait for the brownie to come out of the oven, I invite you to follow the channel and check out the video description. To find the product or products that caught your eye and interest you, don't forget that you have the CarraFit 10 code available. Right now, there are even summer offers, so feel free to combine the codes to get more discounts. And here is a lovely brownie that smells amazing. With pieces of hazelnut inside, we're going to taste it right away. So we'll wrap things up with that. The baking looks like a success. Look, I'll show you. Well, listen, I'm taking my brownie with me and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.